80% of workers live paycheck to paycheck, even people earning six figures. Your salary goes up, but somehow you still feel broke. That's not a coincidence. There's an invisible force quietly stealing every raise you ever get, and most people never even see it coming. That invisible force is called lifestyle inflation. Every time your income rises, your spending rises with it. New subscriptions, better restaurants, upgraded gadgets. You earn more, you spend more, and you're exactly where you started. Here's the fix. Track every single purchase for just 7 days, not forever, just 1 week. You will be shocked where your money actually goes. Most people discover hundreds of dollars vanishing into things they barely even enjoy. Awareness is the first weapon. Once you see the leaks, plug them with the 50-30-20 rule. It's simple. 50% of your take-home pay covers needs: rent, groceries, utilities. 30% goes to wants: dining out, entertainment, hobbies. 20% is locked into savings and debt payoff, no exceptions. This system gives every dollar a specific job. Money without a job disappears. When you assign it a purpose, it starts building your future instead of funding someone else's business. Before you invest a single dollar, build 1 month of expenses as an emergency fund. That's your financial airbag. Most people skip this step and end up raiding their savings the moment life throws a curveball. A car repair, a medical bill, a job loss. That one buffer breaks the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle permanently. Start with just $25 a week. In a year, you'll have a cushion that completely changes how money feels in your life. Your salary isn't the problem. Your system is. Track your spending, apply the 50-30-20 rule, and build that emergency fund. Drop the word budget in the comments below and subscribe for your weekly financial fix. Start today, not Monday.